everybody, thank you very much for joining. Today we're going to go classic Bob Marley, Waiting in Vain, from the Legend album. There's a myriad of ways to play the two chords that make up the majority of this song. So I'm going to go over the way that I like to play it. I feel like it's kind of fun, gives it that good little reggae vibe. So we'll go over those chords and also go over that progression, kind of how to get that reggae mindset down. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Okay, so Waiting in Vain, the two main chords in this song, we've got an A flat major 7 and a D flat major 7. And like I said, there are a lot of different ways you can play this chord, as with all chords really. So I really like to play the chords this way. So let's start here with this A flat major 7. So I've got to use all four fingers here. Index finger is on the 3rd fret of the high E. Middle finger is on the 4th fret of the B. Ring is on the 5th of the G. And your pinky is on the 6th of the D. And if you're not used to, using that pinky, it might take a little practice to get used to that. But all right, and so we'll keep this shape. So for our D flat major 7, keep the same shape, and we're just going to slide all the way down here to where our index finger is now on the 8th fret of the E. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and play through that verse part real quick here. And again, when we're playing these reggae songs, there's a little bit of a different rhythm to it, right? We're not playing a straight. So we're not playing it like that. Okay, so got to get a little rhythm, a little bounce there. All right, so how I like to do that. So let's go over the rhythm, kind of how to get the feel here. So I've got my chord here. I'm not going to actually press down on the notes yet. I'm just going to leave my fingers there. Get a little muted sound going here. So what I'm doing, okay, so I'm going down twice, kind of lightly. Then the third one is a full strum down, so it's, I think that the first two strums are almost just kind of hitting the root notes here, just kind of hitting this D string. Then there's a full strum, and then an up and a down. So okay, and to put that together with the left hand here. So again, like I said, the first two strums down are really just hitting this, you really just kind of get a muted sound here. So, and then third time where you actually are strumming down, it's also when I will press my left hand down on these notes here. So. Okay, so do that slowly here. So once you get it down, you just move it back and forth. So once you get comfortable with that, get used to that. That allows you to, if you're playing by yourself, you can kind of start adding in little fills here and there. So. Still doing there. Obviously, we're playing the chords here. So once we come down to this D flat, again, very simple. We're on the 8th fret here, starting on the 8th fret of that G, hammer into the 10th, back to that 8 there, then going over to the D string, going from the 8 to the 10, back to, so 8, 10, back to the 8 here on the G, and then back to your A flat major 7. So, try that again here. You can do lots of different things there. So that's why I really like playing the chords this way, because it does give you a lot of flexibility with, you can kind of stay in this shape here almost. And you just kind of mess around with that chord shape, and then just kind of play around with it until it sounds good to you. Okay. The only other piece here, so again, the main, almost the entire song is this A flat major 7 to the D flat major 7. Then you have a little chorus break. Actually, I guess it's not even chorus. I guess it's the bridge. We're just going to get a D flat, E flat, C minor 7, B flat minor 7. That happens twice, and you go back to you go back. So let's go over those chords here real quick. So D flat, just standard D flat here, barring 4th and the 6th. Move that down 2 frets here. So now you got your E flat, then your C minor 7. We're going to bar the 8th fret here, and ring finger is going to be on the 10th of the A. And then for your B flat minor 7, you just then for your B flat minor 7, you just move that up to now you're barring the 6th fret there. So go over that one more time here. Alright guys, that is Waiting in Vain. Hope this helps you guys out. Please leave me feedback, comments below. See you guys again soon.